Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable spatial audio for your earbuds Happy Plugs Joy. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here, I have it at the beginning, you may have it at the bottom, I don't know, it depends on Android phone. Also, not all Android phones have these features, so maybe you will have it. And you cannot find this feature at your Apple device. Now, to enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. If you want to disable, you need to tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!